Hi and welcome to this new post ahead tutorial. Last time we saw how you could add pictures to a text module. Today we're going to see how we can add a picture gallery. Instead of adding pictures to a text module, we're now going to make a page which only consists of pictures and with which you have some navigation options, some thumbnails and things like that. We're going to connect to a public photo service to get our pictures, and for that purpose I've created a Picasa web album. You can see here all my albums, and I'm gonna use this one, the Cuba album. Let's just quickly open that, and you'll see a few pictures here of Cuba. On my website I've created a new section named Pictures, and under that I've got a page Cuba on which I'm on right now. As standard, you have a text module present already, so I'm gonna delete that one because we're not gonna need it, and I'm going to add a module. It's the Escher module, which if you don't have it in your installation you can download it from oliverheine.com. I'm gonna add this module to my page. Now this model is gonna show us a gallery. Of course we have to configure it, and for that purpose I'm going to settings. I'm gonna name this Cuba photos or Cuba pictures, and leave the standard settings there. And then on the bottom we've got a configuration section for our gallery. I'm going to connect to the Picasa API. You could also connect to the Flickr API if you want. And I'm going to type in my username, and whenever I click on that magnifying glass here, it's going to look up all the public albums, which is quite important. It has to be a public album, and it's going to look up all those albums, and I can choose one. I'll choose the Cuba one now, and it will automatically add this gallery ID. You can choose a display mode, you can experiment with this one. I'm just gonna click the color box now because that's one I like. You can enter how many columns and rows you want in your gallery, and the thumbnail size I'm gonna set 160, and the full picture I want 800 pixels, so it's a nice big image for people to see. If you want, you can add a description as a tooltip, and I'm gonna also add it as a Polaroid style and update my settings. Now you see that the model will display my pictures, it will display the description beneath it, and whenever I click on one of those pictures I'm gonna have a full-size image, and I can scroll to those images with these navigation buttons. Whenever I click this X, I'm going to be back here. You'll also see that I have 4 columns, such as I pointed out. I don't have 3 rows because I don't have enough pictures to fill out those rows, but if you have more than 3 rows, you will find that there is a button here, a pager, which says go to the next page, so you can scroll through your pictures very easily. Okay, so that was it for this tutorial. Thank you very much.